Hello guys, so today I am making a giant slime with borax, food coloring, and 4 glue bottles. So let's get to this. So first, what you want to do is take all the glue bottles, just dump it into the bowl. Just dump it like this. Just dump all you can out. Use all the force you can use. Okay. Okay, I think that's done. Okay. You can just throw that away. So, next bottle. It's gonna be so much. Okay, I think that's almost done. So, yeah. Next bottle. So much glue. Oh my god. Crap, got some under the bowl, but that doesn't matter because it's washable. Okay, I think that's done. Last bottle of glue. This is how much caps I've used. This one, this one, this one, and this is the last one. So, yeah. And that one. Ready, set. Squish it until you can't squish it anymore. Oh my god. You don't know how much glue this is. Literally. The bowl. Look at all this glue. It's like, God. Then you want to fill it up with some water. So, okay, I think that's enough. Once you have the water, wait, like that. See, water. Okay. Then once you have the water, you're gonna add some borax. So, yeah. Crap, that's a lot of borax. Okay, that's gonna be really slimy. And you just want to keep on mixing it until it gets super slimy when you think it's ready. So keep on mixing it. Keep on mixing it. You can scrape it off. It's okay. And you can just keep on mixing it up and down and up and down. And just pick it up, put it back in. Pick it up, put it back in. And then just mix it around. It's only glue, it won't hurt you. And plus, it's non-toxic glue. So, yeah. And about at this time, you want to get your food coloring out. So, let's get this out. How do you even get this out? What the heck? I'm just gonna, like, tear it. Okay, I'm trying to tear it, but like, it definitely won't work. Okay, I'm just gonna peel it. Oh my god. Nope, I think I got it. Yep, I got it. Okay, we're good. We'll be good. So yeah, this is so much glue. Really? Like, how much glue do I need? 4 packs, that's how much I need. Let's make this green. Here we go. Let's put a few drops in. I want to make it really green, so I'm putting a lot of drops in. So, yeah, and then we want to mix it. Mix, 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 mixy, 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 mix, 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 mix even more. Mix, 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 mix. I wish I could fast forward this, but I can't because I don't know how to, and yeah. So much. Oh, this sounds so weird. Okay, I don't care. I'm just gonna mix it with my hands. Oh, they're already turning really green. Okay, yay. You can always add more food coloring. You can always do that. It's okay. Food coloring won't hurt you either. I can't even squeeze this. Okay, good. And I can't put the cap on. Slip. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that there. Just mixy, mixy, mix. Mixy, mixy, mix. You wanna keep on mixing it. Mix, mix, mixity, mix. Mix, 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 mix. More mixing. More mixing. Stuck to my hands, but I don't care because I'm mixing, 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 mixing. I feel borax. You make that go away. Make it go. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna add more green. Like a lot more green. It's not turning out well at all. Okay, that's a lot of green. Ah, dang it, I shouldn't do that. Shouldn't have done that much. This is a lot of green. Holy crap. Oh my god, it's all over me. It's all over my counter and me, so yeah, that's good. Not. Yeah. Oh. There's still borax! Oh my god, I can feel it. Don't put too much borax in. It is way too much. I put in way too much borax. This is already at 8 minutes? What? How? I've been stirring this for like 7. I've been making it for like 1. Look at this. Look at this. Literally, that's all in my hand. Oh my god. Crap. Did you just see that? I can like pick up a bowl. Oh my god. Look at this. It's sticking so much to my hands. Oh, I think it's too sticky. Oh my god. Okay. To make it non-sticky, because I did this in the last video, to make it non-sticky, you have to like keep on playing with it. Keep on playing with it. Yeah. And it will become less sticky, so that's what I learned from yesterday. I'm trying to like rip this off my skin. Yeah, I think I put too much glue. Way too much glue. Like look. It's like sticking to the bowl. I can't even lift it up. Ready? Look. It's not even falling from my hand. Look, I'm not even grabbing it. Okay, it just fell. Okay. Okay, I need to rip it apart and then mix it. Oh my god, if you look at the inside, so much borax. I definitely put too much borax in this. Oh my god. Mix this bit. I think I need some more water on this. Okay. Put some more water on it. You can see like these little white dots all around it. Like, oh my god. So much borax there. Like just in that one clump. So much borax. Like crazy, it's so much borax. Okay, I filled it with more water. Here's how you get the borax away. Because the borax will dissolve in the water. And that makes the borax go bye-bye. This whole conversation is like just about borax. That's how much I put it in. Oh my god. Like, look. Here. Do you see that whole white spot right there? That whole entire white spot is covered with borax. Oh my god. I put so much borax in. This is crazy. The sound that it's making is so weird. It looks like just a bunch of brains just like crumbled up. Like, look. Like, clearly this is disgusting. My last video, it did not take this long. And it is like so hard to mix, like literally. I can't mix it. Oh my god. Yeah. This is so slippery. I'm like trying to mix it, but it keeps on just like slipping into my hands. Okay, I'm starting not to feel any borax. Like I can feel some, but like not a lot at all. It's starting to turn out how I wanted it to be. No borax. Yay! Okay, I think I'm done. And okay, that is the end of the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.